Hi, in this video I would like to show you how to embed a YouTube video to your WordPress blog post. Alright, so there we get some example of blog post that we created in the previous video. So first step, if you would like to embed a YouTube video, you need to click on this plus button and or alternatively to that button, so this is the same. So once you click on that, you've got a most used features. However, if you are new to the to your WordPress blog, uh, I suppose that you will not be able to see this YouTube blog. So then you need to go down to the embeds, and from this menu you need to choose YouTube. Yeah, and now we've got a blog in which our YouTube video will be placed. So to embed a YouTube video, we need to go to the YouTube, click on the share button, yeah, and just copy this link. This is the URL, direct URL, which provides to the our YouTube video, and then paste it there and click embed. Now, as you can see, we just embedded a YouTube video to our blog post. We can edit the alignment of our video, for example, to the right or to the center. If you want to change the video, you need to click on this button, and then now you will be able to change the URL. You can also change the place of your YouTube video, so just by using these arrows, so you can move down, move up your YouTube video. And that's all. So as you can see, it's very easy to embed your YouTube video to WordPress blog post. If you like this video, please remember to put a like button and subscribe my channel. If you have any questions, just put it into the comments. Thank you for watching.